Christ for you. Now, while you are praying, habang nakikita mo yung brother mo tulog, that is Christ also. Ayan. Kasi minsan mahiya kang matulog dito kasi tapatang kayo, di ba? So, nakakaya. And then, kung makikita nyo naman sa mga stained glasses natin, that is the story of Augustine, kung paano siya na-convert into Christianity. No? Kasi before, si Augustine ay isang pagan. So, because of his mother, Monica, ayan, nangyari sa kanya. Na-convert siya into Christianity.
Dito yung gandang set. Magkakaroon.
Religion. Later on, makikita nyo yung story niya. Dun sa museum.
Ganda.
Ayan siya. So, kapag naging profess kayo, profess prior, so dito yung magiging bahay nyo. Okay? Ito yung magiging chapel nyo. Everyday dito kami magdadasal.
Kung ano ba ito?
Dito talaga siya.
Pero kung ano ba?
Napupuno to kapag may mga event. For example, Agustinian Day, Fiesta na Agustin, Monica, punong-puno to. Kasi tuwing family day, kasi we are, meron kami sinatawag na family day. It is, okay lang. Ang Agustinian Day kasi ay intended for family and the brothers of St. Augustine. So, pag family day, we will invite our relatives, especially yung mga mother and father natin, to stay here for 3 days, more or less. No? And then, makikibuhay sila sa atin. No? And then, yung family day din kasi is a time for enjoyment with the family. Kunyari, for example, ako, brother. Tapos yung brother ko, nadala niya yung nanay niya. So, we need to treat the mother of my brother as a mother. Kaya, minsan tinatawag namin silang tita or mama kasi we need to treat them as our own mother also. Okay? So, kapag hopefully matanggap kayo, and then sa darating na August 28, we will be having our family day. So, we are allowed to, it is an open house pa lang. Ibig sabihin, pag open house, we can invite our friends, our relatives, no, to visit here, no? And then may mga ano tayo party.